Hey everybody, BAMWX.com meteorologist and Chief Communications Officer Brett Waltz here, giving you a tutorial video on Clarity and the agriculture tools that we have available on this platform. After you've logged on to ClarityWX.com, you're going to see this screen here. This is going to give you a picture of a radar and all of the locations that you have on your account. We're going to start this segment specifically looking at where you want to look for conditions 24 plus hours out. I'm going to go over here to this Abilene test in Texas here, and you're going to see kind of off the bat your current conditions, your hourly, and your daily forecast. I'm going to first go to this daily forecast tab where you're going to see a day-by-day forecast for this precise location. If you want a more expanded view of this, you can click on any particular day and you can see here temperatures, precipitation forecast. You've got a confidence and a trend bar here. This is for precipitation specifically in terms of how high the confidence is. 5 is the highest confidence. The down arrow would mean trending drier. You have your AM and your PM percentage of rainfall, the minimum, the likely, and the maximum amount of precipitation, snow, ice, relative humidity, and then all of your ag metrics down here. You can track daily growing degree units, evapotranspiration rates here, soil temperatures, dew point, and then a daily spray forecast for you to plan out ahead to know, hey, next Monday to Wednesday, that's going to be my best period to spray for the days ahead. You're also going to notice this blue box here on Friday. That means that a forecast insight is active. If you click for more info here, you can actually see a more detailed discussion when this is active so you can plan out ahead of time. And this is commentary coming directly from our meteorologist. You can also look at our daily forecast videos. You can see at this time there's no daily video analysis. If we had issued one, we may talk about forecast conditions 24 plus hours out. The other thing that you can go and look at is the long range. If you take a look at the long range, this is where you could be planning not just 24 plus hours out, but days, weeks, or even months out. We have outlooks all the way out to 4, 5 plus months out. You can see here January, February, December, January, February, March. So you can plan for not only the days ahead, but the seasons ahead. The next thing that you're going to want to look at if you're looking for weather information inside of 24 hours is by clicking on one of your locations and going to this hourly tab. This hourly tab, you can click on any specific hour and get a more expanded view of your forecast information. You have this just generalized forecast hour by hour. Then you can also click on the Ag Focus. This is going to give you more specific details pertaining to agriculture operations, such as the spray forecast here. Red would basically mean that conditions are not good for spraying, yellow means take caution, and green means conditions are favorable to spray within those hours. You also have your delta T temperature there to keep in mind whether there could be temperature inversions at the surface that could cause issues when spraying. You're also going to have visibility, wind speed and wind gusts, and all of your temperature data right in here. At times you'll also have forecast insights for the hourly data. If we click on this Nebraska location, we go to the hourly forecast, you can see that there's a forecast insight active here. You can click on it and get more direct commentary from our meteorologists for the next 24 hours. Again, that will light up blue when there's a forecast insight that is active. The other thing that I would highly recommend, and really this can go for both outside of 24 hours, within 24 hours, and then when there is weather ongoing, is going to this chat feature and asking us questions. You can say, hello, I have a question, and you'll get a response from a meteorologist right away. Finally, if you're looking for information about weather that is ongoing right now or over the next few hours, the first place to go look would be the current radar. You can see here we have a precipitation type radar, so you can look at the different precipitation types that are ongoing right now. You can also track storms with our storm motion tool, look at surface temperatures, visibility, and hail tracks. And then, of course, if you go to one of your locations, we also issue these nowcasts. These nowcasts are going to be critical for impactful and impending weather information like the timing of storms, how much snow is going to fall over a certain period. You're going to get graphics that are custom made from our meteorologists. This is really the most important thing to look at if you are trying to figure out how to plan your operation just over the next few hours. Don't forget about this nowcast tool. It's updated in your app on your now screen. Finally, I want to go over a few additional tools that'll be valuable for you on your radar. First and foremost, guys, I want to look at observed rainfall because this can save you a lot of time and money from checking rain gauges around all of your fields. You can look at 3-hour total, 24-hour total, 3-day total, or 7-day total and zoom right down into any location, click around and be able to see how much rain fell. You can turn on the satellite mode and be able to zoom right down into your specific fields, click around and see how much rain fell over that specific period of time. We also have awesome tools like future radar, future wind gusts that might be beneficial for you in terms of spraying as well, future rainfall accumulation, future snow, future ice, and more over the next 24 hours and the next 7 days. I also want to show you how you can edit some of your account features. If you go to any location on the Claroty platform, you can click on this pencil icon in the top right. You can adjust your location. You can click around and you can click any location, any field that you want and change your location to there. You can, if you have lightning features, you can enable or turn it off. You can change from metric to imperial, or you can customize your National Weather Service alerts or condition alerts if you want to be alerted for certain heat indices in the forecast, wind chills, wind speed, current conditions, and your forecast alerts here for rain, visibility, or snow. If you need to edit details of your account, you can click in the top right here by your name, click under account. You can see all the details about your account. You can manage your teams if you have more than one user. And then you can also go through here and edit any users with your account and edit your locations here as well.